Alright, this one I wrote recently.
So you have to press forward twice.
I did, yeah, I got it.
Took me forever to figure that out.
Does that sound okay?
Sounds great.
If I had a carriage and you my way to a long path, I'd whip the horses strongly to get them going fast. I would race along the road, not looking to my side, blinded like the horses to the sloops of night. If I had a carriage and such things could be done, I'd ride through the night and pass the rise of the next day's sun. Always just a bit ahead below my ring guides, trained on greater distance, I'm searching for any prize. And should somehow I make it to where I ride no more, where I've been down with horses and so a carriage back to the store, I will throw seeds and guard the seed till forest has the path. I will cut it from my memory and never, ever in mind or flesh go back. Alright. There's another one about discontent.